Okay, there's another law of exponents that states that x to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. Any number basically that is raised to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. So let us see how does that come about. Remember guys, this is a fact. Anything that is x to the exponent 0, anything to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. I'm just showing you how does it come about. So let's assume that we've got x to the exponent 4 divided by x to the exponent 4. So I'm going to apply the second law of exponent that states that when we divide powers of the same base, we must subtract their exponents. So it's going to be x to the exponent 0. They claim that this x to the exponent 4 divided by x to the exponent 4 is equals to 1. And coming to think about it, guys, what happens when we divide a number by itself? Doesn't it give us 1? What about when you divide a variable by itself? Doesn't it give us 1? It does, right? So let's check this one out. They say x to the exponent 4. So x to the exponent 4 divided by x to the exponent 4. This can be written as x multiplying itself 4 times divided by x multiplying itself 4 times. So I have a situation whereby a number is dividing itself. Mathematically, we know that any number that divides itself, the answer is 1. I guess that is where this fact comes from, that any number to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. So let's continue to prove it. So x divided by x, it is 1. Times x divided by x, it is 1. Times x divided by x, it is 1. Times x divided by x, it is 1. Therefore, 1 times 1 is going to be 1. So this gets to show us that when we apply the laws of the exponents, we said x to the exponent 4 minus 4, it gave us x to the exponent 0. And when we expand it, we divide it, and then we get 1. So this shows us that with the laws of the exponent, we get x to the exponent 0, and when we expand, we get 1. Therefore, we have a strong case. We can say any number to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. You see that, guys? So let me do another example. Let's assume that we have got z to the exponent 3 divided by z to the exponent 3. This is still a number dividing itself. So when I use the laws of the exponents, I'll say z to the exponent 3 minus 3. It will be z to the exponent 0. And if I decide to expand them, write it in expansion form, z multiply itself 3 times, z multiply itself 3 times. So z divided by z, it will give me 1. Z by z, it will give me 1. Z by z, it will give me 1. And multiply together, they will give me 1. So you see that z to the exponent 0, this is the same thing. Z divided by z to the exponent 3 divided by z to the exponent 3. Even here is still the same thing. And there with the laws, I got z to the exponent 0, and here with the expansion, I got my answer as 1. So I can say therefore z to the exponent 0 is equals to 1. So let's try another example. We can say that 2 to the exponent 0 plus 6 to the exponent 0 plus 7 to the exponent 0, all of them to the exponent 3. We start with what is inside the brackets. Any number to the exponent 0, guys, is 1 plus 1 plus 1, all of it to the exponent 3. So we're going to have 3 to the exponent 3, which is the same as 27. How cool is that?